Happy Halloween. And on the back, a guy right there looking a little cooked on the corners, but smelling good like pumpkin pie. A couple tables we're working on. There's another oak slab table we're working on. So I'm going to start right over here. There's my pumpkin. There's the lower right corner. Actually, that looks good. And then I'm going to go back over here. I'll go to settings. I mean, they don't have pumpkin on here, but I'm going to try it as a wood. I'll go natural, wood. I think I'll go hardwood. I think I'll just try general hardwood on that setting. I'll hit play right there. See what we have. There it goes. Alright, let's take a look at that pumpkin.